it's awesome. I really love John's enthusiasm and energy, the way he and you guys put this whole event together is like completely outstanding during COVID, where I know it would be much better and much more beneficial for everybody, for us, for agents, and even for you to have more people here. John, that's no question about it.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.